Hello, crafty friends. I'm so glad you stopped by Cardz TV today. This is Mary, and my good friend Linda, who's a close to my heart consultant, has sent me another card making kit. This is a card making workshop your way from close to my heart, and this one's called Festive Friendship. And it comes with this adorable little stamp set. We've got this little banner or bunting. I love this right here. This is a really cute border. And then we have, I hope your birthday is filled with good things. We've got some little stars. We have a cupcake. We've got the bottom and the top of the cupcake. This is a candle and the flame. That cute little tiny candle. And please inside of a fishtail banner and join us. So this would be great for making some invitations or some birthday cards. So that's the cute little stamp set. This also comes with 12 pre-scored cards and 12 envelopes. And you get enamel dots in 3 colors. We've got this beautiful kind of light rose burgundy. I don't know what else to call it. It's just such a beautiful color. Then we have a pale pink and this beautiful blue. It's kind of a deep teal blue. We get 2 pieces of cardstock, white and pink, and then these 2 beautiful patterned papers. I love these, and they coordinate so well. This is double-sided, so this is one side, and then this is the other side. And it has that wonderful border at the top that you can cut off and use for your cards. Now, just like the other card making kits, it comes with the instructions for cutting your papers, your cardstock, and making 6 of each of these 2 cards. And it's got the cutting diagram inside and then the instructions. But you know me, I like to do my own thing, so that's what we're going to do today. And we're going to make a couple of cute little birthday cards. Okay guys, for card number 1, I went ahead and took one of the card bases and folded it, and I used my bone folder to get a good crease, so it's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I had some navy blue cardstock, and I've cut that at 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. And then I'm going to take that cute little blue and white polka dot and put that on. That's cut at 4 by 5 1/4. Next, I took the reverse side of the polka dot and cut this little border piece that's going to go right there, and this is 1 1/2 by 5 1/4. And then I cut this border piece off the top of the pattern paper, and this is cut at, looks like it's 1/2 inch by 5 1/4. That's so pretty. I love these colors together. Now, I really like this sentiment stamp. I hope your birthday is filled with good things. So I've stamped that with some Memento Tuxedo Black on some white cardstock, and I used this stitched shaped die, label die. This is an unbranded die that I found on Amazon, and I went ahead and stamped that and cut that out, and I've got this on some foam tape. And I'm going to add that right there. And now we're going to add some of these pretty little pink enamel dots to the sentiment. And this will be card number 1. For card number 2, I've got another one of the pre-scored white card bases. We're going to add a mat out of navy blue, 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. And then I took this scalloped die. This is from Lawn Fawn, and I used that pretty floral paper and cut that mat out, and we're going to attach this to the front of the white card base. Next, I took these 2 oval scallop stitch dies. These are unbranded from Amazon. And I cut the larger one out of some more of that navy blue. That's going to go in the center. And then the next size I cut out of some of the pink cardstock. And I like this sentiment stamp so much. I hope your birthday is filled with good things, that I decided to use it again. That's going to go on the inside. I'm going to attach these together and pop this up on some foam tape. Now we're going to add a little pink bow. This is some pink grosgrain ribbon I found in my stash. And I'm going to take some art glitter glue. Normally I use glue dots, but I forgot to bring them. But I do know that this holds ribbon very well. So we'll go ahead and add that right there. And that finishes card number 2. For card number 3, we're using another one of the pre-scored white card bases. I've got a navy blue mat, which is 4 by 5 1/4. Then I took the flowered mat, which is 3 1/4 by 3 3/4. And the reverse side of the flowered mat, which is the blue and white polka dot. And this is 1 1/2 by 3 3/4. Next we'll add this navy blue rectangle, which is 2 by 2 1/2, and then the polka dot rectangle is 1 3/4 by 2 1/4. We're going to put that right there. And then I have another one. I've cut these the same size, except this one is pink. And I'm going to pop this up on some foam tape. And this stamp is from the Cardz TV Potpourri stamp set. I wanted to do a thank you card. And it says, "A little bit of thanks for a whole lot of nice." And I stamped that with some Memento Tuxedo black ink. I added some of the pink enamel dots from the kit. And here's card number 3. Here are the 3 cards I made today using the Close to My Heart Workshop Your Way Festive Friendship card set. This is an awesome kit, guys. And of course, you've still got your instructions and plenty of supplies left to do these 2 cards as well. I just love these papers. I love the colors. They just make the prettiest cards. So guys, if you're interested in this Festive Friendship Workshop Your Way card kit, be sure and go by and see Linda, who's a Close to My Heart consultant. I'll have a link to her site right below this video on my blog, as well as in the description box below here on YouTube. And you can go by and pick this up and just make lots of gorgeous cards. Thanks so much for sending me this, Linda. I love it. Guys, have an awesome day. Thank you so much for coming by. And I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.